channel. Today I am so excited to go to Florida.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Disneyland in Orlando, Florida was one of the places to visit in our checklist, and finally we did it with our son Ayansh, who would enjoy Disney the most at this age. We started at 4 p.m. from home, flight 2 hours to Orlando, and landed there around 8 p.m.
We're in Orlando, Florida. We are going to Disney Magical Express.
From airport, we went to the Disney Resort Art of Animation by Disney Magical Express. If you book a hotel in Disney Resorts, then Disney Magical Express comes free with it. That does the round trip from airport to hotel and hotel to airport.
This is my first time visit to Disney World. So I got this badge.
Disney Magical Express dropped us in front of Animation Hall inside the resort. This building is one of its kind and a beautiful one. Front desk, restaurant, gift shop is available in this building. If you haven't checked my video on Disney's Art of Animation Resort, then please do check. I have given the link in the description below. So we checked into the resort in the Animation Hall building and headed towards Lion King building where we got the room. Every door in this building leads to a beautiful family suite which is designed in the theme of Lion King movie. Each family suite has a master bed with attached bathroom, a living room with a pull-out bed, a small kitchen, one dining area with pull-down bed, and a common bathroom.
Today, we arrived at Lion King, our hotel. We are living in 4th floor.
Next morning, after getting ready, we went to Hollywood Studios by Skyliner, again which is a free ride that comes with Disney Resort. We had our park reservations earlier online, and using it we entered into the Hollywood Studios. I felt like I'm in another world. Oh my god. With Disney music everywhere, fantasy buildings around me, Disney character parade made me amazed. The first stop inside Hollywood Studio was Toy Story, where we did few rides.
Just love to come down for any reason.
Your face covering is fully covering your nose and mouth.
all the rides there is a long queue, especially after 10 a.m. If you go early before 10 a.m. then the queue will be little shorter comparatively, so you can decide to go which ride when. That depends on what time you are there and what rides you are planning to cover. And the next stop after Toy Story Land was Star Wars. After having a delicious lunch, we did Mickey and Minnie's Runway Railway, and we kept on visiting different attractions and rides till dusk.
You want to get a new
Inside your training car all the time. Be sure to save your seats and people.
Rise of Resistance is a massive attraction with multiple ride system unlike anything you have ever experienced. It is hard to ride this as there is no fast pass or standby line. There is a separate video in my channel on Rise of Resistance with full ride coverage and ticket system. I have given the YouTube link in the description if you want to check.
Your escape pods came in a little off target.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
This attraction provides an opportunity to learn more about life and legacy of the man who started it all, Walt Disney. At the dusk, we were fully tired and had very less energy. But the nightlight beauty of Hollywood studios didn't stop me capturing more videos. We ended our day riding Skyliner to resort and having a lovely dinner. Thank you friends watching it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. Good night.